The feature that we looked at this week is a new report called Email Batch that you can access from your CRM member if you're a Pro Service Autopilot member. And we looked at how to implement that and how to set it up in your system. I just want to spend a couple of minutes here talking about why that's important and how you can use it. We talked through some examples in the how-to video, so we'll just expound upon those here. So some of the examples I used of how that report can be useful. Number one, let's take a marketing example where you're sending an email blast to customers, to former customers, things like that, to promote a new service or a new offer. Well, using the email batch reporting tool, you'll see in greater detail not only what your delivery percentages were, but also who clicked on those emails, who even interacted with them. So that tells you right there who you need to be following up with because they've engaged. What you can do using the bulk create tool in that report, in that email batch report, you can create a tag and put those customers that interact with your emails most into a specific tag category and then interact with them in a different way than the people that don't interact with your emails and that don't open them. You can also create to-dos and calls for people in your company to follow up with those people. And that can be used for following up with people that have marked you as spam. Maybe you sent them something that was really important and they just marked it as spam because they thought it was going to be marketing or they thought it was going to be something that they weren't interested in, but it was really valuable information for them. What you can do is create a to-do or a call for all of those people that marked you as spam so that somebody can get on the phone with them and say, hey, we use your email address to send you really valuable information, so go ahead and just put us back on your allow list in their email client, whether it's Gmail or Outlook or whatever. So those are just a couple of examples from a marketing perspective, but also from a scheduling perspective, you can look at your batch emails that are sent from the dispatch board. And the most common examples of email blasting from the dispatch board would be appointment reminders, it would be schedule changes, it would be rain out emails, that sort of thing. So you're actually communicating with the customer about what's going to happen with their upcoming job. And so the same concepts apply at that point. You run the report, you see who actually clicked on that. If you've got a list of people that didn't click on your email, you would know for sure they didn't get that information. And again, you can be proactive and call those people and say, hey, we sent you this email, we saw that you didn't get it, or we saw that you didn't open it, so I just wanted to get on the phone with you and let you know, hey, we're not going to be getting to your job tomorrow, we'll get it done the next day, or we need to reschedule, or whatever the case is. And again, we hit on this point a lot, but think about how much better of a customer service experience that is if you get a phone call from somebody because you didn't interact with an email. And it doesn't seem pushy because you're skipping the people that did open their email because you know that they saw that information. So there's no reason to bombard them and call them as well. So you're getting better statistics, better analysis on those email blasts that you're sending. It works for invoices too. If you're sending late invoices, last week's topic we talked about creating unique email templates for past due invoices versus invoices that are sent on time or invoices that have just been created. Well, you can use this email batch report to take a look at that and really figure out who's avoiding those invoices and who's not. And again, tag them, get on the phone with them, bulk create a call for them, just so you can follow up with them and be consistent, which would help get that cash flow coming in. So these are just a couple of examples of how you could use this tool. I think it's going to be really valuable for you and for your reporting, for your analysis, and for your marketing and cash flow efforts. So let us know if you have any questions about this. If you're a Startup Unlimited member and this feature looks great to you, you want to start taking advantage of it, give us a call and we'll talk to you about the upgrade path to the Pro subscription and how you can start getting those features immediately. But make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel to get more how-to videos, videos like this that are a little bit more conceptual, and just other great content from the team here at Service Autopilot. Thanks for watching.